Hey everyone, Amy from Turner's Warehouse here, and today I'm going to flush with this MonteVerde fountain pen flush, one of my awesome EDC carry fountain pens. So here we've got some water and I'm just flushing the pen in and out, trying to get as much ink out of there as I can. And then we have the MonteVerde flush solution, and the instructions tell you that that is the second step after flushing with water. And so we're going to flush in and out several times, and I am using this method because although I love fountain pens and I'm a collector, I have some really cool ones that I've bought from y'all, I have struggled to know the best way to clean them and care for them. So when we got fountain pen flush, I was really excited about it, kind of checking to see when it's getting clear there on my paper towel. And now I'm going to switch back to water, and look at all that ink that kind of came out with the flush. Now we're going to flush again with water, make sure that the fountain pen flush is out, and then we'll move on to ink. We are going to use some Conklin ink in antique turquoise, which is just a beautiful color. And I've been told multiple times by fountain pen folks that instead of pulling the cartridge off of the nib, that you should leave the cartridge on and fill through your nib. So that's why I did that today. If you have anything about how you care and clean your fountain pens, please let me know in the comments. And if you have any tips and tricks, that'd be awesome. And if you came to the live stream this week with Charles, it's Fountain Pen 101. And it looks good. The pen is working really well. Thanks for watching, and hopefully we'll see you at the live stream.